everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving Marvin here a little cage upgrade. He's not getting a new cage, but I plan on redoing his cage setup. We got him some new perches and also some new toys and things like that, so I'm really excited to kind of put it all together. We're also going to be deep cleaning his cage with the hose. It's overdue for a really thorough cleaning, so I'm going to show you guys how I go about cleaning his cage and then also about how we like to set it up. So I'm really excited to do that for him, and I'm ready to get started. Marvin, are you ready? He's ready, he really is. So another thing is when you are cleaning your bird's cage, you don't want to leave them unattended for a long period of time because they could fly into the window or they could hit the wall or something like that, especially if your bird is not clipped. Marvin is fully flighted. He has all his flight feathers and we do not clip his wings. So I definitely don't like to leave him unattended for long, especially because we have a window in this room and I really don't want him to fly into it when I'm not in the room. He tends to panic when I'm not in the room sometimes, and he gets concerned about where I am. So he flies around in circles a lot, and I just don't want him to hit anything. He is a really strong flyer, so I don't worry too much, but you can never be too sure. So I'm actually home by myself right now, and I don't have anybody to watch him. So I have this little pet security camera. I'm going to set it up in the room. That way I can monitor him while I'm outside. That way, if he's flying around and he's panicking without me, I can come up and check on him. So hopefully he'll be okay. I'll probably be outside. I'll probably only be outside with his cage for maybe 10 minutes max. I just need to spray it down really good and get it clean. So hopefully everything will be fine, and I'm going to be watching him the whole time on my little security device. The entire time he was a good boy and sat right up there and ate his millet. So he did a good job. He did. And now Maisie's hopping around. And we are just going to go through all of his things and set up his cage a whole new way and just give him a whole new makeover, really. And I'm excited. So let's get to it. that needs to go in the cage is the new bowls. And always remember to wash new bowls thoroughly because you don't know if there has been anything ever on them. So just to be safe, I always wash new bowls. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun making this one, and I know Marvin did also. He's been loving his cage for the last hour ever since it's been done. He's just been having a blast. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!